Hello guys, everybody has have the same problem with the PS4. I think you know how to remove that cover. It's like a lid, so you just have to, my one is just really open. You just have to pull this one and that one part. That starts from the left, from the same where is the PS4 sign. This one, another one, that one. Pull back, and the story is you will find on the phone a lots of doors, and on the cover as well. All what you need to do, most important thing is to remove that, wipe that. You can use that or other things. We just discovered, we made Alex son the one thing, how to remove that doors from inside that phone. So the story is you can use the vacuum, but it's not working, to be honest. You can use, I seen some YouTube video, you can use that stick with some liquid or alcohol, but the best idea for us, we just discovered it, is to, I'm going to show you now. Alex, hold that camera. Is put on the table. Alex, stay somewhere there. Put on the table upside down with the phone. Alex, just like that on the table. My one, like as you see. Alex, hold on for a second. I add some legs, like just for better air circulation. I think the best idea is to put that upside down. Just gonna put some light on to better vision. Put that upside down to do not push nothing, just like that. Turn on your vacuum, or you don't have to, maybe for 1 second, Alex. So, and you will see on the phone. Alex, hold that for me, please. You can use kind of brush or something, and you will see how big dust is every single one, everywhere. So that's what you have to do. You have to turn on the vacuum. Alex, please do this now. The best thing is to use the 2 pair of hands, so you can move that in the same time. Hold the vacuum somewhere close as you can. And clean that step by step. I think that video was very helpful. So I need to finish now, but I also finished my video. This way, put upside down on the table, lay on the floor, clean. My one is after I just opened a few minutes ago. My one's after 1 year of use. Play Fortnite, I don't know, maybe 2-3 hours per day. God of War, that kind of game, like, or every second day. I think that video was really helpful. All we need to do, like, you need to clean around everywhere, and the best way is to use upside down to do not push down that dust inside. You can put like or subscribe. That's what my son said. Thank you for watching. That's really our first video, and I think will be very helpful. So, and as like you see, you can clean into the your part will be exactly black. So we're gonna put that one PS4 upside down again, and we just start to clean now. I think it will take about 10 minutes and will be pretty new. And I'm pretty sure after that job you will collect a lot of dust and will be stopped noising. Thanks for watching.